63% of young men are single. Only 34% of young women are. This gap is destroying men's mental health, and nobody's talking about it. I'm going to show you the 3 systematic changes that created this epidemic and the exact 5-step roadmap to rebuild meaningful connections. This isn't about pickup lines or dating hacks. This is about understanding the social crisis that's isolating an entire generation of men. By the end, you'll have a complete framework for combating loneliness while building genuine relationships. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal the one emotional skill that gives men a massive competitive advantage in modern dating. Welcome back to Deeper Dudes. But first, let's talk about why millions of men are experiencing unprecedented isolation in the most connected era in human history. You wake up, scroll through social media seeing everyone else's highlight reels. You open dating apps where 78% of users are men, competing for attention. You go to work, come home, repeat. No meaningful social connections. No support system. Research from Harvard shows that 35% of men report having 0 close friends. 0. We're living through the largest mental health crisis among men in recorded history. What a load of crap that we just tell guys to be more confident. This isn't about confidence. This is about systematic social changes that have fundamentally altered how men form connections. Nobody teaches us how to navigate this new landscape, but loneliness isn't a character flaw. It's a response to environmental changes. And here's exactly how to rebuild your social foundation. Strategy 1, the social circle audit. Most lonely men focus entirely on dating apps while ignoring the foundation of all meaningful relationships: community. Here's the system. Map your current social touchpoints. Count how many people you've had meaningful conversations with this week. Not work small talk, but real connection. Identify 3 environments where you naturally encounter the same people repeatedly: gym, hobby groups, volunteering, classes. The key is consistency over time. When I was at my loneliest, I realized I had 0 recurring social situations. I joined a weekly hiking group, not to meet women, but to practice being around humans consistently. 6 months later, I had 3 genuine friendships and had met someone through that expanded social network. Community creates connection. Connection creates confidence. And once you're building real relationships, the dating landscape completely changes. Before we go any further, I want to pause for something important. None of what we've been talking about really matters if we don't have the energy and clarity to actually implement it. I learned that the hard way. Look, we can't become the best version of ourselves on a broken foundation. We all know what it feels like to wake up exhausted. No energy, poor focus, and 0 motivation. I've been there. I also know what I feel like when I get good, restful sleep, targeted therapy, and the right supplements. These form an essential part of this healing journey we're on. It's the solid foundation from which we grow. I've personally tested more things than I can tell you. You could consider me your personal guinea pig. Everything linked in the description below I personally love. Whether it's the sleep tools, supplements, therapy resources, cold plunge gear, or the journaling apps, I've done and used them all. These are some of the very best science-backed and extensively tested products designed to help us get rock-solid sleep, have abundant energy, and experience the mental clarity and vitality we want. Check the description below for the complete stack. And hey, if you grab anything through my links, you'll be supporting this channel at 0 cost to you. No pressure, of course, and thank you in advance for taking a look. Now let's get back to it. If this is helping already, please hit that like button so more men can find this when they need it most. And drop a comment. How many close friends do you have right now? No judgment, just honest support. Strategy 2, emotional intelligence as competitive advantage. Here's the truth about modern dating that changes everything. Women are more emotionally literate than ever before, and most men haven't adapted. Research from Dr. John Gottman shows that emotional awareness is the strongest predictor of relationship success. This means while other guys are sending generic messages and playing games, You can stand out by being genuinely present and emotionally intelligent. The system. Practice identifying emotions in yourself first. When you feel something, name it specifically, not just good or bad, but curious, frustrated, hopeful, overwhelmed. Learn to ask better questions. Instead of, "How was your day?" Try, "What's been on your mind lately?" Validate before trying to solve. When someone shares a struggle, respond with understanding before offering advice. This isn't manipulation. This is becoming a better human who people actually want to be around. Strategy 3. The Rejection Reframe Protocol. Most men quit after a few rejections because they take it personally. But rejection in modern dating has almost nothing to do with you as a person. Women on dating apps receive 100+ messages daily. They're not rejecting you, they're managing overwhelming choice paralysis. The reframe. Every no gets you closer to someone who's genuinely excited about you. Every awkward conversation builds your social skills. Every rejection is practice, not judgment. I track my rejections like a salesperson tracks calls. It removes emotion and adds perspective. When you're improving your social skills and reframing rejection, dating becomes a skill-building exercise instead of a self-worth evaluation. Strategy 4. The Masculinity Balance. Here's what most dating advice gets wrong. They either tell you to suppress all masculine traits or double down on outdated alpha behaviors. Neither works. Modern women want men who are both strong and emotionally available, confident but not arrogant, decisive but collaborative. The balance. Develop competence in areas that matter to you. Skill, fitness, career, hobbies. Competence creates natural confidence. Practice vulnerability in safe spaces first. Share struggles with male friends before trying it in dating. Lead when it's natural. Collaborate when it's wise. This isn't about becoming someone else. It's about becoming the most integrated version of yourself. Strategy 5. The long game mindset. The biggest mistake lonely men make is treating dating like a sprint, when it's actually about building a lifestyle that naturally creates connections. Stop optimizing for quick results. Start optimizing for becoming someone you'd want to spend time with. The framework. Invest 70% of your energy in personal growth and social skills. Spend 20% actively dating or meeting people. Use 10% for reflection and strategy adjustment. Focus on building a life you love. Interesting people are attracted to people living interesting lives. When you combine all 5 strategies, Social Circle Audit creates your foundation. Emotional intelligence makes you stand out. Rejection Reframing builds resilience. Masculinity Balance makes you attractive. Long game mindset ensures sustainable growth. This is how men overcome modern loneliness. Not just finding a relationship, but building a rich, connected life that makes isolation impossible. Drop a comment. Which strategy are you starting with? Number 1, Social Circle Audit. Number 2, Emotional Intelligence. Number 3, Rejection Reframing. Number 4, Masculinity Balance. Or number 5, Long Game Mindset. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found this helpful. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to Deeper Dudes. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. It not only helps the channel, but it also tells us that we should make more content like this. We post videos every other day that tackle real challenges men face. So if you liked this one, you're probably going to enjoy the others on the channel. Remember, struggling doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. The fact that you took time to watch this means you're ready for something better. Thanks again for watching. Finally, be sure to check out the description below for all the amazing products that could jumpstart your healing journey. Catch you in the next one, Deeper Dudes. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, keep thriving.